everything else that's going to be on there is going to hold
Right.
that. Now, you may, when you do this, end on this finger, it's okay, because guess what? We have a whole another roll.
I have a
Okay.
couple of them at home.
So what you're going to look for, and we're not done quite yet. And so you can even just tape that.
Yeah, that's what we've been doing.
I'm not going to tape it for you. Okay, so when I unroll, I usually roll this direction rather than that direction. Does that make sense? Okay. So now what we'll do is we'll just come back and I'm going to just catch that again around the wrist. Okay, so let's say I didn't have enough to go for your pinky. This is where I would just come right there and get your pinky. Now what you see is these little holes right here. So what we're going to do with this one, once you have all the fingers wrapped, is we're just going to come around and go just at the bottom. Okay, did you get that? You're going to come around, use that wrist as the anchor, come up to the next finger, and just get the very bottom. Okay. Come around that wrist again, up to the next finger. There we go. Okay.
Okay.
Just the very bottom.
Gotcha.
Okay. Next finger. Right in that space. Good. I'm going to make sure I don't have that little. There we go. So they're just make sure they lay nice and flat in there, okay? And then we're going to come around and we're going to get that little thumb right there, okay? And then what you've got left here, now we've got a lot. Usually there's a little less left over, which is fine. Just kind of
meander.
Yep, go about half, and you can even with that foam there is that you'll put on top is fine.
Okay.
Just kind of lightly, as long as everything is all, and then secure it, either tuck it or tape it, and you're set. You want to go ahead and try to make that fist. What you're looking for is that no skin is showing through, especially in this area here.
Okay, and are these like thin amounts okay? Where it just looks thinner?
Yep, that's absolutely okay as long as there's no visible skin showing there.
Okay.
Okay, how does it feel? Okay,
that's fine.
Good. So you see that I didn't pull, and look how much of that back of that hand is showing.
Okay.
If you run into a problem where this is swelling, just take those, last bits, and you can come through here, and you can cover that. But usually you do okay leaving it open.
Okay.
That'll probably be nicer.
That. Yeah, it'll give you freedom.
Okay, but then when you do the fleece and the ace bandage, do you leave this open too?
Well, when you do the fleece, let me just give this. I don't. Let me go grab one real quick.
Sorry.